This is Ramone in his Lightning Ramone livery. As you can see, he's a 1959 Chevrolet Impala. I only got him in 2009. I got him, and it's, as you can see underneath him, it says Chevrolet Impala right there. And Ramone was voiced by Cheech Marin, and he also comes in a 2-pack with Flo, his wife. I like this Ramone too. It was my first Ramone I got, and he's a nice character. He was done with Lightning McQueen too, for wrecking the road, and he was also but he also helped in making McQueen into a cruising McQueen. Making in his cruising livery. And there's a cruising Ramone too, but I don't have it yet. And I like Ramone. He was a very good character. He was married to Flo. And he also helped fighting the lemons in Cars 2. He sprayed paint on Tubspace's eye. And in Cars 3 he redesigned Lightning McQueen to race in the World Grand Prix. And in Cars 3 he also helped McQueen. He restored Lightning. He made Lightning McQueen look as good as new to help him, because as it is, McQueen wanted to beat Storm. And Ramone runs his House of Body Art. And he also appeared in court when he was telling McQueen off for scratching his paint. And Ramone was also at the race in order to help McQueen as his pit crew. I like Ramone. Good character. And as you can see, his paint is kind of glossy. Shiny. And I like Ramone, and his number plate says low and slow. And in the movie, his body lifts up. There is a Ramone with the body that's up, but I don't have that yet. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there today, guys. Thanks for watching.